How to fix not able to join this experience due to privacy settings. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of Roblox not able to join this experience due to privacy settings. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta log into your Roblox account and then you gotta click on this gear icon at the top right. Here, you gotta head over and click on settings. Once you do so, you will be redirected to the settings interface of Roblox. Over here, you gotta click on privacy and content restrictions. Over here, you gotta click on visibility and private servers, and then you gotta click on visibility. Once you do so, you'll be able to see this option that says show current experience. Now, if it is on friends and people I follow, you gotta switch it to everyone, or if it is private, simply change it to everyone. And if you can't join the experience still, then you can simply head over to the settings of the experience and see whether it is private or everyone can access that. If it is private, then you can write an email or try contacting the creator of that experience and ask them to grant you the access to the specific experience. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.